gosh guys, it's raining and may gamit kami dun sa likod. Isisiksik dito. Oh my gosh. No. Ang sikip-sikip dito. Kasi umulan.
Rain problems.
Okay ka lang dyan? Okay ka pa naman? Okay pa naman. Okay ka pa naman? Okay pa. Yay! We're here na! So we're here at Anvaya Cove and so lilibutin namin to. So ito yung kumbaga bahay namin dito. Oh my gosh, there's 3 bedrooms. Like this is so cool. Ang laki!
Huwag nga daw, lagot ka.
Like, oh my god! Hi! So we're on our way to the beach na and magbabike kami. Pag-pray nyo ako hindi ako masemplang. Kasi pababa siya. Woo! Let's go! Lord, Lord, please guide me. Guide me through this trip. Thank you. So guys, pinabalik kami kasi kailangan mag-helmet tsaka mag-sapatos. So, yo, we're back. Ayun lang. I'm just way too shy.
Say what?
I gotta make you see this is more than just a city crush. Ooh, dito na us.
Pwedeng iparada.
Saya siya guys. Hi ma. Hi. Bodyguard ko. Tapos yaya ko. Tayo ng maarali. Ay, wow! Ay, epal. Maka-epal. Ay, what the fudge? Dinner na! Woo! We have alaking. And then carbonara. And then potato salad there, in there.
Say what?
Diet ka, Bes? Diet?
Hindi, first plate ko pa lang eh. Ikaw parang hindi ka nang babalik.
Konti lang yan, konti lang. It's currently day 2 of Anvaya Cove vacation chuchunes and nandito ako sa labas kasi nahihiya ako mag-video sa loob. And di pa ako naliligo kaya mukha akong bruha. Excuse my face and my hair and everything. Yeah. Nagluluto sila ng breakfast doon. We have spam and spam rice and then like omelette. Tas yung mga alaking and pasta kahapon. This is and that's so silly cry. Wonder if you even notice me. Hi guys, so we're filming an OTW right now and we're here at the beach. So we're done filming and sobrang init. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. We're leaving Anvaya Cove na right now. So we're here at Subic and Mukha akong sabog, grabe. Pero, hayaan nyo na, nahihilo ko AF. We're here at Hot Shots.